name is Btmp. Now I will share about organizational profile. Name of the company that we research is Panasonic Appliances Refrigeration Devices Malaysia. Senior Berhad that plays at Cheng Industrial Estate Jalan TTC 1 Melaka. Date of established is on December 1992. Panasonic is a foreign owned that is from Japan. Panasonic produces many types of electronic components, but for Panasonic Appliances Refrigeration, the key production is refrigerator compressor. They have 728 employees. The division has become one of the leading players in our business areas worldwide and contribute to comfortable home and living environment by expanding new business field. While the mission is we design, manufacture and market innovative products and human-oriented love solutions which enhance comfort, safety and energy efficiency to world market by considering the satisfaction of stakeholders.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurashika binti Azizi. Today I want to present about introductions. Panasonic based in Oza, Kodomachi, Osaka, Japan. Panasonic's CEO is Kazuhiro Tezuka. Panasonic Applications Refrigerations Malaysia Sdn Bhd only manufactures refrigeration component as compressor. The compressor as the heart of the refrigerator unit. It will not be possible for the refrigerator to function as it does. The process of making compressor using mechanical power press in the making refrigerator component very dangerous and high risk for workers' accidents because all this compressor process use machines. Panasonic also have standard operating procedure and specialized clinic and nurses for their employee.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Anisha Idayu binti Mamahari. Today I want to present about scope, limitation and the importance of the project. Scope focus on the impact of occupational safety and health programs on improving job well-being. Next, limitation use human resource interview to learn more about occupational safety and health. The impact of the project raising awareness of workers in the maintaining safety and health in the workplace.
Assalamualaikum. Today I want to talk about a project statement. Project statement is a discipline to start, to plan, execute, control and end a teamwork after achieve certain goal and meet certain success of criteria. So we have 5 members in a team. We choose to get information about occupational safety and health at Panasonic Appliance Refrigerator Device Malaysia. After interviewing Mr. Muhammad Noor bin Slamat, a safety and health officer at there, we get a lot of information about his background, company background, about machine they use daily in their work, about danger that can be happen at the worker if in future, the problem they are facing during taking a new worker, and the fee and the penalty when they don't follow SOP of occupational standard and health from time to time.
Good morning, my name is Vinasni Srinivasan. Today I would like to present about the issues and the strategic programs undertaken by the company Panasonic Appliances Refrigeration Devices Malaysia in employee well-being. Those issues include employees and workers in electronic industry encounter a variety of hazards on a daily basis. Among the hazards include noises and radiation. Noise may be emitted by machinery such as motors, cutting equipment and packaging machines. Noise and vibration can result in deafening of ears. The strategic programs undertaken by Panasonic Malaysia was it has its own localized OSH policy that details strong commitment to safety and health matters of employees. This policy is supported with detailed standard operating procedures SOPs for activities in handling refrigerator engines. In addition, to prevent musculoskeletal and repetitive strain disorders, redesign of tools to transfer stress from smaller to larger joints, improving height relationships of different work surfaces, and orientation of work materials are just some of the ergonomic improvements that can be considered. In short, safety should be taught from day one even before employees have chance to get grips with the actual manufacturing process.
Next is the challenge in implementing OSH at Panasonic Appliances Refrigeration. Every employee has an obligation to ensure the safety and health of their employees by preventing their exposure to occupational risks and avoiding the occurrence of occupational accidents and diseases. The first challenge is aging workforce. As we know, this group provide knowledge, skills, and experiences to share and to improve the company. However, this group often experiences health problems that should disrupt their process and focus on managing their work environment, such as lack of energy to work and vision problems. This may affect their work reputation in terms of machine efficiency. Their work skills are also reduced, and this can also pose a safety risk. Second is foreign workers. They are important to the economic development of a country because it can overwhelm the workforce, shortage difficulty, and mostly at a low cost. The problem is in terms of communication that can lead into misunderstanding between employers and management. They are also unfamiliar with the surrounding of new places and take it easy. Third is direct production, where the old non-upgraded machinery poses a high risk to the employee assigned to operate it. It will show more deficiencies and needs to be addressed, especially to the operators who handle the machine. Compressor production involves a variety of substances including mercury that can interfere with intentional health. Lastly is lack of high-skilled workers. Abandonment of training and human resource development in OSH as well as lack of awareness of its importance could cause risk in the workplace. The economic pressure resulting from Industry 4.0 covering technological, social, economics, and similar aspects, the well-being and sustainability of organizations and human resources are undoubtedly undermined. If not handled wisely, this pressure can affect the quality of life at work as well as personal life.
There are many human resource roles and contributions in guiding or supporting the organization efforts in occupational safety and health programs. Firstly, provide advice to workers and employees of occupational safety and health. Human resource conduct learning process or activities for the workers. Second, maintaining a record of injuries, accident and workers' compensation. Human resource control every workers by monitoring the maintain a record of injuries or accident. Next, establish occupational safety and health policy comply with employees law. Panasonic company following international standard organization policies in their company. Building a workplace safety culture. Culture of safety in the value and priority of every individual in an organization to the workforce and the work environment. Lastly, providing coordinated training and emergency preparedness for workers to guide or support occupational safety and health. Human Resource Management Company coordinate training and emergency preparedness for employees to prepare themselves in the event of safety and health programs.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today I want to talk about the effect of occupational safety and health implementation at the Panasonic Appliance Refrigerator Device Malaysia. First, the technology have upgrade from the existing technology. First machine that they have upgrade is a forklift. They have put a machine at the forklift to make a sound when it move forward. Second thing, they put a laser at the back of the forklift to show the direction when the driver of the forklift move backward so the other worker can see the direction if the place where it going is little hidden by other thing. Second machine that they used to upgrade is a overhead crane. They have put a headlight at the machine to make sure the worker realize if it picking something and move it to other places. Second thing that have been at the Panasonic Panasonic appliance refrigerator device Malaysia after the implementation of OSH is they have made a clinic at the working place when the capacity of the worker is around 500 and above. So at the clinic, it has their own nurse to take care of the worker if they're feeling not well. Second, they also given an ASP card to go and see other clinic when they're not feeling well when it out of their time working. They also will be taken to the hospital or a nearby clinic if the worker is getting hurt at the workplace by security officer on duty. The last of the effect if the company have given the worker enough information about avoiding the danger at the workplace by giving them and enough protection tools such as safety helmet, safety glasses and safety boot. The company also give them a safety environment at the work scene by putting local air cleaner and machine barrier to make them not injure themselves while using the machine.
Hi, I'm back again to present about information sources that guide Panasonic. Information sources that guide Panasonic have a three part. First, Panasonic Occupational Safety and Health Management System or HMS. Investigating and debating workers' hazard prevention measure, preventing and repeating workers' accidents, preventing workers' healthy problems and maintaining and promoting healthy promotions employee. Second, equipment safety standard. The equipment safety standard corrections guideline from the basic guideline for equipment safety standard in each workplace and they take into account Japan's law and produce international standards, our knowledge and actual disaster case studies. And last, occupational safety and healthy declarations. The company has implemented incentive in 8 areas that have been carefully implemented.
To continue with the conclusion, Panasonic Appliances Refrigeration Devices Malaysia Sdn Berhad is an enterprise located in Malaysia with a main office in Melaka. The enterprise currently operates in the industrial machinery manufacturing sector. It was established on January 10, 1990. This company's management objectives are recognizing our responsibilities as industrialists. We will devote ourselves to the progress and development of society and the well-being of people through our business activities, thereby enhancing the quality of life throughout the world. The 7 principles of the companies are contribution to society, fairness and honesty, cooperation of team spirit, effort of improvement, courtesy and humility, adaptability and gratitude. Panasonic Refrigeration Devices Equipment Malaysia Sdn Berhad has been operating since 1992 and has 728 employees. The company has created the Panasonic Human Resource Development Center for employee safety and health, focusing on the safety and health of employees. People are the foundation of business. Develop people before making products. Throughout its history, Panasonic has consistently placed priority on human resource development based on this philosophy. The purpose of the Panasonic Group's occupational health and safety management is to promote a comfortable, safe workplace based on the most advanced and best practices. Panasonic US uses OSHMS to give all employees clear roles and responsibilities, promoting engagement in health and safety related activities by setting clear targets. Panasonic also strives to ensure the personal and occupational health and safety of its employee by sharing the Panasonic Code of Conduct created by the Board of Directors and the Panasonic Occupational Safety and Health Policy. In conclusion, Panasonic is poised for further growth based on its smarter technology and focus on research and development. In a nutshell, Panasonic Corporation needs to expand the scope of its health promotion activities even further to maintain or sustain their employees' safety and health effectively.